Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss pie chart or donut chart in Power BI. Let's understand what is the use of pie chart and donut chart, and then we will see how we can create and what are the different formatting options in Power BI to format these types of visuals. Okay. So basically, pie chart is a circular data visualizations that display data as a slice of pie. Okay, pie is you can consider it as a circle. It is and it shows the data as a part of the circle. Okay, and based on the values, it shows percentage of whole, meaning it will consider total value as a 360 circle, and then according to the value of category, it will divide the categories into the slices, and it shows the percentage also. Okay, that we will see. So when to use the chart, this kind of chart, so to show the proportion of categories in percentage. If you want to compare the category by the size of pie, you can consider pie chart. It works well with the limited number of categories. Okay, if you have large, meaning number of categories are higher, then it is difficult to use this kind of charts. Okay, yes, also it has limitations. Okay, this is not as I said, for the it works well for the limited number of categories, meaning this is not suitable for the multiple categories, so many categories, okay, we can say. And also it is not suitable for the multiple categories. Okay, we can only show the plot the uh, chart for one specific field. Then comparison is very challenging in case of pie chart when the values are more closer. Okay. Similarly, we have donut chart also. Donut chart is very similar. Even limitations are everything is similar. Instead of uh, showing the complete circle, this donut chart will have hole in the center, and you can add the other information to this hole. That is what the benefit of using the donut chart. Okay. Let's see how we can create the pie chart and donut chart in Power BI. Okay, let's say I have one data loaded and relationship is built in. Okay, that's what I did in earlier also. So same data set and everything I'm using. So how to create the pie charts? Okay, if you go to the visualization, there is an option to create the pie chart and donut chart. Okay, so you can select the visual first. If I select the visuals, it is fine. Okay, even either you can follow the style of creating the table first and then turn your table into the visuals. Okay, that is also fine. So here it asks first what is your legend, meaning the what column you are going to use as an legend. Okay, to divide the categories. Okay, so I use this occupation as an legend. Okay, so now what I will do, I will bring the amount, sales amount in the values, and you can see the data in percentage. Automatically, it shows values also and in percentage also. Right, like this, we can create the pie chart. What we can do, let's say if you try to add one more category, okay, or details, if you want to add, what you can do, you can add the another category to this, and it will add the more details. Okay, but the problem is what, it doesn't look good. Okay, so let's keep this as it is. And let's say if you want to make the changes, okay, so the drill through option is there. If you are viewing the data by date hierarchy or any other hierarchy, then let's say values is there. Okay, here in case of pie chart, you will not see anything like x-axis and y-axis. Obviously there will not be, because we are not dealing with axis here, right? We deal with this circle. So now let's see how we can format this visual if you want to change the formatting. Okay, what if, let's see, let's try what will happen if I add the more categories. Okay, it is not showing anything. If I add more categories, if I add the categories, product categories to the field legend, we will not be able to view, like, right. So it shows the details for only one field. Okay, if I remove this occupation, it will change for the category. So this is how it works. So you cannot use multiple fields in the legend here. Okay, for the comparison purpose. Okay, that's not. You can compare only one field by whatever the number of categories are there using pie chart. Okay, so let's see what and all formatting options are there for this. So if I go to the formatting, there are two types of options: visual type and general type. So I will go to the visuals. Okay, on legend there is option to change the position of legends. I will change the position of legend. Then if you want to change this text, okay, so these are the kinds of options that we have discussed with respect to other visuals also in my prior videos. So if you want to change the color of slices, you can change the color of slices. Then detail label, by default it is on. If you want to turn off, you can turn off. If you want to make the changes, okay, where to locate the these data points, I mean the numbers, okay, meaning data labels, so you can change that. Then label content, what it should shows, you can select the category, or either you can select the data value. You can even select the category and data value. Even there are many options, category and percentage of total. Okay, like this you can change the visuals and data labels. And in case of values, you can change the formatting. Okay, if you want to change the background of values, you can change the background. You can change the display unit and decimal places and the percentage decimal places you can change. Okay, so in regards to the formatting these visuals, these are the options available. Even if you want to rotate this chart, okay, you can rotate. If I say this, okay, so you will see that uh, it will be able to rotate the charts, meaning how you want to, which category you want to keep on the top. That's what you can control. Okay, I will say reset to default. Then in case of general, okay, there is something called, if you want to change the height and width of this chart, you can change the height and width. If you want to change the title, you can change the title also. If you want to change the background, you can change the background color. Okay, like this. If I select this, this doesn't look, because these colors are already used. If I select this, okay, this looks good, not exactly, but still it is fine. Okay, so this is the way I can change the background color. Okay, and then visual border. Okay, if you want to show the borders, you can add the borders also. Shadow of the this chart, you can create from the effects. Then header icons. Okay, if you want to change the icons, you can change. Okay, meaning these are the header icons. Okay, so here whatever you can see, all these three, so these are the header icons. If I change the background color of this, so you will see it will reflect that. So in this way we can format the general properties. And then tooltip, if is there any, you can format that also. And if you wanted to add alternative text, you can describe the visual here in alter text. Okay, so this is all about the pie chart. Similarly, if you want to turn this chart into the donut chart, you can simply click and just it has a hole. Okay, so instead of the creating pie chart, you can create the donut chart. It shows the same, even it is purpose of the donut chart is very similar to the pie chart. Only difference is that you can add the card and all to show the total value. Okay, let me bring back. And if I click somewhere else and if I select this, so what I can do, I can show the value also in this hole. Okay, like this I can add the values, I can add the any space, any other information here. Okay, based on the requirement. And if I go and I can show the total number. All right, we have seen that also. See, if I bring the sales amount, so it shows me the total amount and how it is divided, among all these categories. So that's what we can do. Even we can format this also. Okay, that is what the use of donut chart. The properties remain same. If you click the visuals, okay, legend, slice, detail, label, rotation, everything is remain same. Even from the general also, the properties are remain same like pie chart. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day.